Last one here.
Kanye West wipes Instagram after Virgil Abloh's death. Pleas for family.
Yeah.
So you mean like deleted everything on his Instagram?
Yeah. Clean slate.
Interesting, but not Twitter.
Not Twitter, no.
No posts yet. 0 posts. Curious. People were waiting to see what he was going to say. That was obviously a very unexpected occurrence. He was 41 years old.
41, yeah.
And he had been fighting cancer privately, a kind of a rare form of cancer, very deadly form. And himself, and for those that don't know, that he was a world famous icon in the fashion world. Recently took a top gig at Louis Vuitton, and really tight history with Kanye.
Yeah,
right.
They made a few of his albums, along with Jay-Z as well.
Did lots of album artwork from many famous records you've seen, and just seem to have had a very close relationship. I saw people posting clips online of an embrace that they had after that fashion show, and they just held the hug for like a long time. Oh, you have it queued up.
Yeah, this is a very iconic moment.
Yeah, and they're both crying, I think.
Yeah. So this was like a runway for, I guess, his inauguration for like him.
Do they use that word or is that?
No.
Oh, okay.
No. For him being like a creative, the creative director for Louis Vuitton, and this was his fashion show, and he's hugging Kanye, kind of like saying like he made it or we made it, because they went to school together in fashion design.
Wow.
But yeah. I just want to give a shout out to him.
What a moment, man.
Yeah, it's
to be captured. What a
like they made it.
That's just crazy moment. Anyway, a lot of people poured in on social media that had a relationship or known Virgil. I mean, Drake put a post out, and there were a lot of posts flying around, but nothing came from Kanye. And honestly, I'm not one of these people. I don't even feel like you have to. Like you had your own personal thing. You had your own personal relationship. So it's gonna be up to you.
Right.
How you process that situation. And if you want to write something, don't write something if you're not feeling up to it or whatever. You're trying to process, you're trying to grieve somebody that was really meaningful to you. And obviously he's doing that right now if he wiped his Instagram page.
And he did have a Sunday service dedicated to him. This, that's pretty much it.
Yeah. Rest in peace.